So I'll just give a quick overview of the procedure that we used to assemble this flashlight. So one of the things to note first is that we maximized our speeds and accelerations so that we could do this assembly as quickly as possible. And so as you can see, we inserted the head and the barrel into the chuck and clamped it. And now we're tightening the barrel. And we modified the tightening torque code to do our preliminary twisting as shown here. And then after a certain number of twists, we then use the tightening torque code to twist the barrel until the torque limit has been reached, as shown here. Next, we grab the battery, and for the battery, we 3D printed a holder so that we could easily grab the battery without having to do too much manipulation. And then lastly, we're just screwing on the tail cap here, and then doing the same procedure that we did for the barrel until we use the tightening torque code and reach our torque limit. And then lastly, you can see on the robot hands that we use some tape so that we can have better gripping of when we're twisting. And then shown here, you can see that the flashlight was assembled correctly and turns on. We insert it back to the head position. And then lastly, you'll be able to see here that when we unscrew it, we didn't damage any of the threading, and that we assembled the flashlight correctly.